Okay, now it's recording. Hi guys.
I know shaking. Now let's go.
It's me boring acting. So boring acting, dude.
James. See you around tomorrow.
I thought you were sleeping up there.
Whatever. That's my bed. Get off it. Just pretending. Get off my bed. Pretending, okay?
This is really vibrating.
I know. I didn't put it there. Am I sleeping now, James?
Yes. But really so much shaking like earthquake. And Sudine has 2 heads.
You want this?
Seriously, it looks like Sudine has 2 heads.
How many was this current?
Or like a spirit coming out of Sudine. It's a ghost. Ghost making out with you.
4 minutes left. So you with the ghost?
Really?
Yeah. Wow.
No, what if they lock the door?
So these Bluetooth with the ghost?
Yeah, what if they lock the door?
Wow.
Ghost will come, then you come. Mr. Lowe will be scared, he will cry. And then you lock the door, Mr. Lowe will
Ay caramba.
Mr. Lowe will cry if the ghost comes. Don't you have all these?
Videotaping like seriously.
Stop.
Listen, you said
It's so lame, dude.
what you said. Okay, that was.
Get off my
Be quiet.
What are you two doing?
You're so bad-minded.
Look at my nose. So get out. It's what? Get
They know to fix this. It's vibrating.
Ew.
Not done. Should I stop?
Alright, okay.
What's